Hello everyone, welcome to my loft railway. In the next months I am intending to do a talk every week about a particular aspect of model trains and I will be demonstrating using my quite extensive train layout. If you've already seen my YouTube channel, you should see that it's quite extensive. Today I want to talk about train speeds, and train speeds are very important, I think, to any model railer, because trains are ultimately designed to get from A to B as fast as possible. Here are two goods trains. You can see they're a mixture of goods with the box cars, oil, minerals, etc. There's 28 trucks on one of these, and another train round the corner has 34. Now, an essential part, I think, of any model railways is the scale speed, and it is really important that the trains will move at the proper scale speed. Now, how to do this? What I've done here is, you can see I have marked onto this edge various numbers. This represents speed, and what you do is, when the train passes the first point, which is where my finger is, you count 1 second, 1 Mississippi, and at the end of the second that would indicate how fast you're going. So these mixed trucks realistically in 1960 should be moving at 40 miles an hour. We have a goods train coming through at about 40 miles an hour, a peak behind zipping along at about 80 miles an hour scale speed. A delta in the back, probably only doing 60 miles an hour. The goods wagon at the back has just had to stop for the red lights, and off it goes, as you can see. And here comes a peak whizzing through, probably at almost 80 miles an hour scale speed. Here we have a very busy line. It's set somewhere north of London. We have goods train coming through. It's a bit less than 40 miles an hour. Mallard, probably only 65 miles an hour scale speed. You can see that dusk is about to happen. Sunset here is a bit like the acceleration of the trains, somewhat too fast. And then it's daytime again. Here we have a sprinter going by its name, probably doing 120 miles an hour. Not very realistic, but a lot of fun. and you can just see my speed bar down here is a really good way of trying to make the train speed. Here we have a Pendolino, probably doing 125 miles an hour. The Pendolino has now accelerated to roughly 140 miles an hour. So we have a Pendolino whizzing through over 300 miles an hour. Not very realistic, but a lot of fun.